Today I'm taking a look at the Luck and Use adjustable third arm. Came with a bag, so we got something that we can store these things in. And we got our two arms, and we got our instructions. So the base can swivel forward and backward. It has a very nice rubber texture on it, which is excellent, so I don't have to worry about that thing slipping around. But it is not on a ball, so we don't have to worry about that rotating in multiple directions, which is important if you're going to be hanging cabinets or anything like that, because you don't want this thing to accidentally fall to the side. I do really like that they actually painted a line on here, so you know exactly where the pins are. So if we line that up with the hole, we should be able to find those pins. You can see it just springs out, so that's going to hold it in place. And then if we want to go to the next hole up, there we go. So with that, we can get a nice, quick, easy extension. We also have this lock knob right here. This will help to hold it in place. And on the top, we have another pad. This one also rotates forward and backward, but it also can spin. So the great thing about these arms is that you can get a very fine adjustment just by squeezing this little brake trigger. But we can get quite a bit of movement. You can just press this button up, and that'll make it drop. It's also a quick way of being able to pull this guy all the way out if you know you have to move quite a long way. So this is the maximum height, and we are looking at just over 23 inches. It's about 23 and a quarter. And for the minimum height, and that'll bring us down to about 15 and a quarter. So 15 and a quarter to 23 and a quarter is our full range. Does appear to be stiff enough to actually be able to stand up on its own. I wouldn't really rely on that, but the fact of the matter is it can do that. Now, typically whenever you're doing this, you do want to have it kind of propped up against something, so usually the wall is the second point of contact, and that is just going to prevent it from toppling over. There we go. So you can see I'm not even really holding it up, but it is capable of holding that whole toolbox up. Very cool. So once we get this in position, we kind of fine tune it. We would just be able to screw that cabinet right to the wall. This would make this a whole lot easier, and really the best way to do it if you're by yourself. So yeah, plenty of adjustability, nice fine tunability. And most of these things don't even come with this nice rubber pad, so this is a very nice set. I am happy with that.